Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to recite a poem. Title of my poem is My Bird Sings. I have taken this poem from my literature book. Your pretty bird in a gilded cage flutters its sorrowful wings. But there's never a bird cage yet could sing as my bird sings. He is brown, little, wild and shy, but free to build and thrive. Yours, poor bit things behind the bars are only half alive. My bird sings out a true wood note. Your pipes out sorrowful things. Never now may he learn the song that my bird sings. Never now may he wheel and soar. Oh, sunshine on his wings. Oh, a bird in a cage is a crippled thing, but my bird sings. For mine, every bird that flies on free wild wings. But there's never a cage bird yet could sing as my bird sings. The poet of this poem is Thora Stowell. Thank you.